if someone has a birthday in SAM, entered into SAM, are they automatically added to a call list?
They are not unless your routine is set up to do that. And
Okay.
so on your contacts, if you set up a birthday one, so if you enter a birth date field, so I've got a routine here that's if
Yep.
I enter the birth
Right.
date, then 7 days before it's going to say mail the card. So whenever I do the um, birthday, say February 25th is my birthday, 7 days before the 25th, then this item should be listed for the current year, whatever it is. And then on the birthday will be this activity. Whenever I complete these activities, if this is set for annually, then as soon as this routine completes, it will start the routine again, but then go to the next year.
Right.
So this makes we were doing this in lieu of making them repeating because I was having issues with repeating too. But this gives us a lot more control over what you do. You don't want to do the next month or the next year until you've completed this year.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll have to watch it. I thought it was automatically added. I'll watch it. I
Yeah.
gotta tweak
If
that
it
a
is
little
automatically adding, it's probably because you've got a routine that's set for birthday and it's set for active. And if it's active, that makes it automatic.
bit. Thanks.